So you might be surprised to learn the next place you'll find RDNA 2 graphics. It's actually on the road, in the electric vehicle market, with the new Tesla Model S and Model X. So we have an embedded AMD Ryzen APU powering the infotainment system in both cars, as well as a discrete RDNA 2-based GPU that kicks in when running AAA games, providing up to 10 teraflops of compute power. We are thrilled to be working with Tesla to bring the power of Ryzen and Radeon to their newest flagship cars, and look forward to giving gamers a great new platform for AAA gaming. The next place you'll find RDNA 2 will be the high-performance mobile phone market. AMD has partnered with industry leader Samsung for several years to accelerate graphics innovation in the mobile market. And we're happy to announce that we will bring custom graphics IP to Samsung's next flagship mobile SoC with ray tracing and variable rate shading capabilities. We're really looking forward to Samsung providing more details later this year.